Just making sure my microphone's plugged in. The other video I made, the last two files, I tripped on the cord and it slowly unplugged it. Hopefully. I like wearing this lab coat because I don't have to get dressed up to get in front of the camera. I've just got cranky old baggy clothes under here, tracksuit, bed pants and stuff, and it's so easy just to slip this over it and be camera ready for the camera. So that's why I wear this coat a lot as well. That's one facet. And a lot of people ask, why do you wear gloves? Look at the paint that's on them. I hate getting that paint on my hands, I really do. I mean, my hands are not the best looking hands either. And also it creates, every time I change them for a new pair, it's just a colourful visual as well for those people who ask, why do you wear gloves? A lot of artists do, and I don't like the chemicals getting into my cracked skin. All right, we're gonna do a intro. Let's go. Just walk in and...
Don't talk about what you're doing, you dickhead.
G'day, how you going? Ian Apples here, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my studio. We're going to do a different but an effective painting today, just with one brush, a filbert brush. So I suppose I might call this a filbert painting. Now it's going to be a layout that any beginner can grasp and put this layout onto your canvas, showing you what you can paint. So get on over here and I want to show you what I'm going to lay out on the canvas, all right? I didn't do the, oh that'll be all right. Also wearing the gloves allows me to rub the pencil line. Let's turn these lights on first. So it's not so dark. Where are you? One, two. Now I've got my quinacridone magenta. I want to pull some of that into my filbert and then start adding this.
This may be up there, just like that, a bit uneven.
It's only a little bit, but it's there. And I'm happy with that.
You nearly took that tape off, Ian. Can we watch you do it?
Yeah, all right. There we go. So I want to get that nice and straight there. Look at this stick, it really helps me get a nice straight line there.
That's bullshit how straight it makes it, isn't it, eh?
You got to...
You going to the shop, are you?
Yeah, got a JB.
Nice and open and hairy like a filbert tree would look.
I love my filbert brush for filbert trees.
Right on the tip there.
Touching that, okay.
Where's me small filbert, you bastard? Oh, come on, where are you? Every time I look for it, I can't find it.
I'm just going to sign this, then we'll take the tape off and reveal our painting. And I also want to thank my YouTube channel members and my Patreons who support me every month for the price of a cup of coffee. Much appreciated.
Fuck off.
There we go, that's not too bad, and I know you can do it. Just doing the outro. Should I leave that in or pull it out? My pants are pulled right up my back. It feels weird. I hope they can't see that. I'll get that out the way a bit. Don't have my contacts in today, just got my glasses, doesn't matter. Hope you liked it. Give me the thumbs up, share, like and subscribe, all that business. All right, and I know you can do it. Well, that was a lot of fun, simple and effective, not too, no, that sounds stupid, not too what, well, that was a lot of fun. And I know you can do it. Well, I had a lot of fun doing that. That was quite simple and effective in acrylic. I hope you like what I'm doing, and if you do, you tell your friends. But if you don't like what I'm doing, you tell everybody. Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya.